body reshaping. I have to make a disclaimer before we do anything. I don't recommend you Photoshop your own images or other people's images, as a matter of fact. What I'm about to show you is for educational purposes, and it shows you a glimpse of how magazine covers are actually made. We won't do anything too elaborate, but we're going to explore a cool feature you might have heard about before, Liquify. First of all, we're going to duplicate the layer so we'll have the before shot. Next, we'll go to Filter, Liquify. From here, we'll get a new window with all sorts of options. We're just going to use a few of them because we're not interested in getting serious work done with this tool. For starters, I'm going to enlarge her breasts. To do that, we'll use the Bloat tool. Its hotkey is B, and it's positioned in the left side of the screen. Now, you may need to click on Advanced mode to get all these options. I'm mainly interested in the brush size, density, and rate. The density refers basically to the brush's strength, and the rate controls how fast the bloating happens. These look pretty good here. Now you click on the outside of the bra. That's the best place to add mass. You can slowly push away as you hold your mouse click, but be warned, one of the clearest giveaways is when you distort something in the background. Here it would be the girl's arm, so make sure that line remains natural. We're not done yet, but I want to switch to the Pucker tool. This shrinks things, and we can work on this middle area here. Just a few clicks, nothing too dramatic. We can also work on the side. Take this line out and make it like the bra is too small for her. It's a visual trick. I know all these sound odd, but I've followed several courses on touching up photos professionally, and the things you hear are out of this world. Okay, let's continue with the last tool that's really interesting in this Liquify panel. That's the Forward Warp tool. It's this first icon here. Look what this does. We can make her even thinner, quite anorexic looking if you ask me. These are not actual techniques the professionals use, it's far more elaborate and detailed, but it's a glimpse into what's possible with minimal skills in Photoshop. In any case, I'm not that comfortable about changing our bodies in Photoshop. I'm all for working out and being healthy. I think that's the best way to do it. I know there's a lot of people who struggle with their image, and heavily photoshopped images like this one only contribute to the problem. Still, I hope you can view this as an educational video and we can keep the atmosphere light-hearted. Press OK when you're done, and that's about it. Now we can compare the original with this enhanced one. To tell you the truth, I like the original better, even though that may be photoshopped as well. So that's the Liquify tool. You have the image attached. Feel free to practice so you understand the tools in this panel. Have fun.